How to delete graph history. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your grab application. Then on your bottom right corner, you will see this icon of account. Tap on it. Then scroll all the way down until you see this general option. Go to help center. Then tap on common problems. Tap on others. And you will have to write about account. Then tap on email support, and now you will have to write the description of your problem, writing them about I want to delete my graph history due to dash reasons, and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.